In this tutorial, we will learn the flowchart design for comparison mechanism. We can take one example, that is largest among three numbers. So in comparison mechanism, we have to compare among various attributes or variable. Here three variables are there, A, B, C. So logic is important here. So A compared with the B first. So what can be the output? A can be greater than B. Next, or A can be less than B. Next, A will be compared with C. So it can also have two options. A can be greater than C or A can be less than C. Next, B will be compared with C. It will also have two options. B can be greater than C or B can be less than C. So that means what we observe here, three conditions and three decision boxes will be there. Decision 1, decision 2 and decision 3. Let's start to understand the flowchart. So flowchart, it is having three number here. That means three variables or three parameters. So three parallelogram will be there, input A, input B and input C. So make sure before we start any flowchart design, we must understand the logic. This is very, very important because logic is the nucleus or basic fundamentals to start any flowchart process. So what is the logic here? A can be greater than B, A can be greater than C or B can be greater than C. So first decision box is A is greater than B. So it can have two options. One is yes, one is no. So S is the true condition. Let's explore the true condition flow. If A is greater than B and second condition is A is greater than C. So it will also have two options, yes and no. If it is yes, then obviously A will be largest. And we can close the flowchart. Next, come from downward. Observe here. If A is greater than C, condition is no. Then, in this case, from downward, observe here. We can type here C is largest. This is, we can close the flowchart. Next comes to the no conditions. If it is A is greater than B, no, then B will be obviously largest. And the third condition will be B comparison with C. It will also have two dimensions. One is no, one is yes. If it is no, then obviously C will be largest. And if it is yes, B is greater than C, if it is yes, then obviously B will be largest. So this is the flowchart for comparison mechanism among three. Similarly, we can use for 4 also. So let's map our program with the flowchart. We'll learn how the program mechanism can be implemented. So this program is written in Python program. You can use any programming concept. The logic and fundamental is always remain same. So here three variables are there. So input A, input B and input C. Then we'll move the true condition. The true condition is nothing but if. If is true condition, else is false condition. So true condition, the first comparison is A is greater than B. So what is the true condition? Yes. So next comes A is greater than C. And the output will be A will be largest. Now we'll move with the elif condition. So that elif means else is the false condition. So if is the true condition. So elif means it is true plus false condition. So in the previous program, I have explained you the how many elif condition can be present in any program. The total number of variable minus 2. So total number of condition minus 2. So total number of condition is 3 minus 2, that is 1. So 1 elif will be there. So here elif means true plus false condition. So what is the true condition here? So true condition is nothing but your, if you compare the B greater than C and A is greater than B in the left side decision box. So B is greater than C, yes, that is true condition, and false condition is A is greater than B. In this case, we are going to print B is the largest, that is elif condition. We are going to obviously else condition, that is false condition. We can type C is largest. From Scodeen, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Doing so helps our channel beat the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and bread fall.